Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to change WhatsApp group description. So let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application and to change WhatsApp group description, look for the group you want to change as description, tap on it. Now you can either tap on these three dots and choose group information, or tap on the group's name. When this interface appears, tap on description. I just want to mention that any member in the group can change the group description, but admins can change the app settings to allow admins only to change the group description. Anyways, add a new description. Once you're done, tap on OK. As you see here, the group description has been changed successfully. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya!